Hello everyone. In this video, we shall take a look at the silent installation of the sensor or agent in EventTracker. The EventTracker sensor is a single package which will take different command line parameters and gets installed according to that command. The latest MSI installer is now simplified and allows the user to execute the deployment using a single MSI package. The EventTracker sensor or agent can be deployed using methods like graphical user interface, silent installation, and Active Directory group policy installation. The supported operating systems for the sensor deployment are listed on this screen. Before proceeding with the deployment, ensure that you add exceptions both inbound and outbound for the ports shown on this screen in the Windows firewall. The silent installation of the sensor can be done via the agent ini file or by using the command prompt method. First, we will have a look at the silent installation of MSI using the agent ini file. For this, extract the MSI package which will contain the agent ini file, the EventTracker sensor MSI, and the README text. Edit the agent ini file and enter the mandatory fields as shown. Fill the other required parameters in the agent ini file as needed, and then save the agent ini file. Next, run the command prompt as administrator and then change the directory to agent MSI_90. Type the command as shown and hit enter. The sensor will take some time to get installed. You can verify the installation by navigating to the install directory and by checking the folder structure. You can also verify the services created for EventTracker. Now, we will have a look at the silent installation of the MSI via the command prompt method. For this, after extracting the MSI package, launch the command prompt as administrator and navigate to the extracted MSI package path. Now, enter the command as shown. This command represents that the ini file is configured for the TCP mode along with specifying the details of the EventTracker Manager. The installation will be done in a silent mode and will take some time to install. You can verify the folder structure and the services created as shown with the earlier method. For more information on the sensor or agent deployment, please refer how to install the EventTracker sensor at eventtracker.com. This concludes a brief demonstration on the silent installation of the sensor in EventTracker. Thank you.